What is going on, guys? Today we are back and we're working on some removable mud flaps for my 1989 Toyota pickup. Reason being is I keep ripping them off. This is actually the third set of mud flaps I've put on this thing, and I just bought another set to make them removable. So this is the side that isn't actually broken off. As you can see, the mud flaps is here floating loosely, just they're exposed, ready to be hit on a rock, ready to get hit by a tree, by a stump, something, and just pull it right off. Or snow. I've had them pulled off by snow before too. And of course, instead of just ripping them off, buying new ones, ripping them off, buying new ones, I'm just gonna make them removable. So I could take them off before I get on the trail. And this is how I'm gonna do it. So the plan is to kind of kill two birds with one stone. This whole cab corner is kind of rotten here, and this fender doesn't actually mount because the bolts are broken in it. So I've always just kind of had it zip tied down here at the bottom. So I'm gonna rebuild this cab corner, and I'm gonna put a piece of square tube steel right in here on this corner as a part of the rebuild, and then have two bolts of wing nuts on it attached to the mud flap with a piece of flat iron on top of it. I hope that makes sense. It will when you see it though. I cut the cab corner out and there's actually less material in there than I thought there was, so yeah, it was pretty rotten out in a few spots. Hey guys, I'm just interrupting this video real quick to let you know that we got brand new stickers available at www.Dirt.Garage.ca. So if you want to show your support for the channel, pick up one of these, slap them on your rigs, and we'd love to see them. Okay, so I've been slaving away at this for like a couple hours now, and you can finally actually get an idea of what I'm doing here. So I made this piece originally. As you can see, it's tapered on both sides, and I tacked it into place, welded it into place, and then these bolts are actually welded on the inside of here, so that when I want to go put a mud flap on, I just undo the wing nut. When it comes to rebuilding the cab corner, I was like, why don't I just put in another piece of square tube here and then fill the bottom with some plate steel that I got. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. I think it's starting to look awesome. There's a little bit to fill in there, and yeah, it's slowly coming along. You get the idea now anyways. So I got rained out yesterday, so I couldn't keep recording, but I made a ton of progress. For repairing the rotten out cab corner, I ended up using another piece of tube steel, welding it in here, putting a 1/4-inch plate on the bottom. I tapped a hole in the 1/4-inch plate to mount the fender to. I can now bolt up my mud flaps because both of these studs are welded in. And yeah, so I'm just gonna finish cleaning it up. I'm gonna put a layer of paint on it, bolt it all back together, and then I'm done one side. So I painted this by giving it a layer of some textured undercoat, and then over top of that, I had some leftover paint cans from when I painted the whole truck. And yeah, now it's color matched, and I mean, it looks so much better now. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this Wednesday's episode of Dirt Garage. Pretty simple one, making some removable flaps for my 1989 Toyota pickup. It's a pretty simple one. This is a job that pretty much anyone with a welder can do at home. It wasn't that bad, and I'm just so excited to not have to be replacing these so frequently anymore. Anyways, guys, if you like the stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my store, www.Dirt.Garage.ca. Pick yourself up some stickers, and yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.